What's up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about smooth law portion SLP coin SLP token holders. Welcome back to another update video. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the urgent update and I'm also talking about the quick pump of the smooth law portion. So before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Guys, the currently live and latest price of the smooth low portion in the market is 0.1911 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the smooth low portion. And on the other hand, if you look the changes open the smooth low portion SLP 8.29% the price increase. Oh guys, it's a profitable coin now in the market. The 24 hours changes is 8% increase, and guys, I'm sure about that very soon the price of the SLP will become 1 USD dollar. So just hold to the last of August, the price will be increase. Never decide to see SLP. It's a profitable coin in the market. Guys, SLP is a profitable coin, and you know what, a lot of people want to buy. They are now in the pumping mood. You can see, my friend, they are now in the pumping mood. So invest now more and more in SLP. The price is still in the decimal, so I think that's opportunity with all of you. You can see here the trading volume, the price chain is also increased positive. So if these things is positive in the SLP, so that's mean that you are getting profit from SLP. Anyways, what do you think about SLP? And my friends, after 10th August there is a higher possibility that the SLP will take a quick jump and they will make you millionaire. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates video.